Hey everyone, what's going on? It's Eli here from Deep Discounts Club, and today I'm bringing you guys an unboxing and a look at this GEARGO YC02 RV Surge Protector. Let's open this thing up. So here it is. It's got this rubber band holding it all together. Nice protection there with the bubble wrap. So as you can see, this thing is quite the unit. On the back here, you've got this plug. You've got this cover here to protect it from the elements. You want to go ahead and plug your RV into here, and then you can plug this thing into the campsite and it'll protect your RV from any power surges. There are different lights that pop on here, and it tells you what the different lights mean right there. 50 amps, 125 volts, 6,250 watts, 9,500 joules. So this thing seriously means business. And it says do not submerge in water, use in an upright position, basic safety precautions, and then you got the support right on the back, email address and a QR code. You got the manual right here, so that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching.